Everyone, I welcome you all in science class students. Students, today we are going to revise chapter number 14. The name of this chapter is Natural Disaster. So here in this chapter, we are going to revise some natural disasters. Now student, what do you understand by the word disaster? So disaster is any event that can bring destruction and lot of damage to the human life and their property. So first we are going to discuss about earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth which lasts for a very short time, and it is caused by a disturbance that is deep inside the earth's surface. As you know student, we already discussed that earth has three layers. Very first layer is crust, second layer is mantle, and third one is core. The uppermost layer of the earth is crust. If the question will come, name the uppermost layer of the earth, what will you answer? Crust. So student, this crust is not in one piece. It is in fragments. And it is made up of, you can say it is made up of large and small plates. So if the question will come like name the layer of the earth which is made up of large and small plates, so what will you answer? Crust. Okay? And these plates are hot. Why it is hot? Because the core below is extremely hot and it pass on the heat to the plates, and these plates are continuously moved. Means it is in these plates are constantly moving. They are in the movement, but sometime they collide with each other and it causes the disturbance in the earth crust, and this disturbance is called earthquake. This disturbance is called an earthquake, right? So whenever the earthquake occurs, it releases tremendous amount of energy all over the earth's surface, right? So the earthquake are measured on the scale, and the name of this scale is Richter scale, right? The power of an earthquake is measured or expressed on the Richter scale, right? And who invented the Richter scale? Charles Richter in 1935. Sometimes the earthquake means the magnitude of the earthquake is very less and it can be hardly felt, and sometimes it is very strong, immensely strong, right? And when the earthquake is immensely strong, the magnitude can be more than 5 or 6. So student, if the question comes like who invented the Richter scale, what will you answer? Charles Richter. And name the scale that the earthquake can be measured. So what will you answer? Richter scale, right? So next one is that earthquake generates the waves. Means it produces the waves and it travel all over the earth, right? And this can be detected on the instrument, and the name of this instrument is called seismograph. And the people who study about the earthquakes, they are called seismologists. Why they are named so? Because the name of the waves are seismic waves, right? So the people who study about the earthquakes are called seismologists. So this instrument, seismograph, consists of frame, a spring, a stone, drum, paper and pen, right? And the pattern that we get it on the paper, right? The graph that we get it on the paper, that graph is called seismogram. Next we are going to discuss about volcanoes. volcano is an opening on the earth's surface. Here you can see two pictures. This is the picture of volcano eruption and this is the picture of lava, right? Now what is lava? Lava is the hot liquid that comes on the earth's surface, and when the hot liquid is below the earth's surface, it is called magma. So these magma come out through a vertical tunnel. That vertical tunnel is called a vent, right? This is called a vent. So based on the nature of the eruption, volcano can be categorized into three types: active, dormant or extinct, right? Active volcanoes, those who have erupted in recent years and can be erupt at any time, right? That is called active volcanoes, and there are some famous active volcanoes, that is Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, Mount Erebus, right? And there is one also active volcano in the subcontinent. The name of the subcontinent. So question can come also like that. Name the union territory where the active volcano is located. So what will you answer? Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. Next one is dormant volcano. Dormant volcano that have not erupted in recent years but can be erupt in future. Next one is extinct volcanoes. Volcanoes that have stopped erupting, means they haven't erupt from last few years and cannot be erupt in future. Extinct volcanoes. So that's it for today. Thank you and have